What's up? We're at Starwood Motors in Dallas, Texas, where they are known for some legendary custom builds, especially off-road builds like Jeeps and Broncos. Our Bronco is about to be one of them. It's in their shop right now. They're going to be helping us make this next phase a reality. This is the vision that I've had for this Bronco from the beginning, and it's finally coming to fruition thanks to Starwood. So in this video, this phase of this build, here's what's going to be going on. First off, we've got Advanced Fiberglass ram air hood and their 2-inch fender kit. Second, we've got Starwood Motors Signature Paint Finish in magnetic metallic. Third, we've got Addictive Desert Designs Pro bolt-on front and rear bumpers. On the front bumper, we're going to have the Baja Design Squadron Sports paired with the set of Squadron SAEs. That's their new fog light. It's going to be a nice amber. Last, we've got DV8 OE Plus side steps. It's all going on in this video in this phase. I can't wait to show it to you, so let's get to the install. All right, so they just started test fitting the Advanced Fiberglass hood and fenders. If you want to check it out, we got our front 2-inch fenders here, looking really good. Now they don't have this completely attached. It's still test fitting, so the lines will get shored up even more, but they're already looking really nice. You've got this hood, ram air hood. This also will have like a little mesh thing that goes in there. This isn't painted. This is just the black gel coat from Advanced Fiberglass factory. So you can kind of see, don't look at color, I guess is what I'm saying. So it's mostly just getting a feel for what these fenders are gonna look like. I'm really excited about this new silhouette. It's lifted up right now, so you've got way more droop than usual. That's gonna come down a little bit once it's back on all 4 tires. But yeah, man, it's gonna look great. There'll be a panel that goes right here. Let's see if I can show that to you. So this piece will kind of finish out that line right there once they get that installed. So they're still working on it, still working on that test fit. But once they do that, I'll start prepping for paint. So sand everything down and keep moving through the process. What's up? Today is paint day at Starwood Motors. My Bronco is in the booth behind me. Let's check it out.